Which online digital marketing courses should I consider getting started with? Which ones are free? Which ones are the best? With an overwhelming number of digital marketing courses out there, it can be difficult to find the right ones to spend our time on. We want to be learning the right things from the right people from the get-go. Whether you're a business owner, a fresh marketer, or a novice looking to advance their digital marketing skill set, don't worry, because today I'm going to be recommending the best online digital marketing courses that you can get started with for free. Welcome back to Growth Vertical, everyone. For those of you who are new, I'm Neil Patel and I'm a digital marketer. And on this channel, I break down digital marketing and personal growth so that we can better growth hack our businesses, our careers, and ourselves. Now let's get started on the different types of the best digital marketing courses you can do out there. The first one is Google Digital Garage. This is a learning platform from Google themselves. Imagine one of the biggest media giants right now providing you with a learning platform to learn about growing businesses, digital marketing, and career development. This is a no-brainer. You're learning from the best. If you're just getting started, you can look at taking up the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course by Google Digital Garage. I've taken this course myself and it helped really understand the fundamentals around marketing online. And what's great is that it really puts things into perspective because it provides examples around smaller businesses and using digital marketing for them, which allows you to understand things practically. You also get certified at the end. So if you care about wanting to feel that sense of achievement and wanting to feel good even after attaining those basic skills and basic fundamentals, you're gonna get a certificate. The next is Google Skillshop, another set of awesome courses provided by Google themselves. They allow you to choose various other areas of digital marketing to focus your time on. You can go from beginner to expert in a matter of days and in a number of areas, including Google Analytics around data and analytics, PPC, so looking at YouTube ads, Google search ads, Google Display Network, Google Shopping, Google My Business, or even Google Data Studio, so looking at those custom reporting and analytics. Each of these gives you a certification as well. And what's awesome is that all of these courses are created and reviewed by Google specialists, so they will be really good. Now a bonus here is Google's online marketing channel, also known as Google's OMC. This is taught by top academic panelists. So if you're a student, you get to work with non-profits where you're provided with a budget of around $10,000 to spend on advertising campaigns. Now this is great because you can use this to compete to show what you can do. And what's awesome about this is it's a truly unique experience where you can actually accelerate your practical experience because you're learning faster and more effectively. Now the third is SEMrush Academy, a digital marketing company that's well known for its SEO and content marketing tool. What a lot of people don't know is that they provide free digital marketing courses that goes from beginner to advanced in great detail. And this just isn't for SEO. This also includes for social media, PPC, affiliate marketing, content marketing, and a little bit more too. Again, if you really care about certificates, you'll get these at the end of the courses too. SEMrush has created a high-level community, so it's only natural that the courses match up to that quality. They are reviewed by SEMrush and digital marketing experts, so you know that what you're learning is the right thing from the very beginning. The fourth is HubSpot Digital Marketing Academy. Now this company is a giant when it comes to educating businesses, people from the marketing industry overall, and to new joiners, from beginner to advanced. HubSpot are known for having a leading marketing CRM known as HubSpot CRM, and they provide you with beginner to advanced courses on inbound marketing, content marketing, and marketing automation, to name a few. I myself have done the HubSpot inbound marketing certification, which allowed me to really excel at content marketing and the inbound aspect of it. This has been super helpful for me so far. HubSpot's online marketing courses also include content marketing, inbound marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and even contextual marketing. So HubSpot's courses are all reviewed by experts, so you'll know that when you take them up, you'll get the best class knowledge and you'll be on your way. The fifth and next one is Facebook's Blueprint. Facebook is one of the media giants of the new age, and they provide a great training on how to do marketing on the Facebook and Instagram social media platforms. This is a thoroughly detailed course that can take some time to complete, similar to the Google Skillshop training, but it's well worth it. It takes you from beginner to advanced on managing your business accounts on Facebook and Instagram, as well as the ads on both those platforms. It offers training where you can get certified at the end of the course. However, I'm warning you that a lot of the expert marketers out there who have spent quite some time and have built up practical experience still find the exam quite difficult. Therefore, take your time and don't rush it, but it is a really great course. The next is Opt-in Monster Academy, another great free course I hear about. This is not one that I've been involved in yet, however, it's about conversion rate optimization. This course helps you improve and understand how to optimize your website landing pages, your email marketing, your copywriting, so you can boost conversion rates to generate more leads and sales. I've not had a chance to dive into this. If you've already done it though, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you found it. Now here are some honorary mentions. The Social Media 101 course by Constant Contact, which provides you with examples with the lessons and is free too. The next is the Copy Blogger course, which is Internet Marketing for Smart People, which has been around for quite some time and focuses on the content and copywriting aspects, and provides you with frameworks around that as well. Now remember that there's a lot of courses out there and it can be quite overwhelming, but what the great idea is that you get one course done, you implement what you can and test what you can, then you move on to the next, and then you repeat that process. Finally, here's a bonus: the best and fastest method to becoming an expert. Don't just take loads of courses. This doesn't make you successful. Apply everything you've learned by volunteering your time to help people and their businesses. Implement and test it on your own business. Take it back to your marketing role at your job. The best way to become an expert is to learn like an expert, and that means to constantly test and practice in different business environments and industries so you can understand what works and why. So these are the best online digital marketing courses out there that are free for you to get started with. Just remember, to get better, you just have to go out there and apply what you have learned. And if you do this, you'll start to see results in no time. If you feel like I've missed out on some great digital marketing courses out there that are free, feel free to drop them in the comments below and share them with others so that they can learn from them too. So there we have it. If you liked today's video and you want to see more, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, if you'd like to see any videos in particular, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy and see you soon.